So many people won't believe me, but in my opinion, one of the biggest NFT projects will still be VEVE. And the reason is this: when the bull run and the NFT euphoria starts again, probably in 2024 or 2025, these brands will be really bullish on making some money or even earning the fee. And they will start advertising just like Marvel does on their own social media accounts. And I understand the fees on the VEVE collectibles and all the development stuff that people are mad about. It just won't matter that much because there will be 10 times more new people in this NFT space, and most people will try to collect their favorite brands, and VEVE has basically all the biggest brands. That's why, in my opinion, the most valuable collectibles are still Batman's, the FA Superman or FA Spider-Man, because everyone knows about those superheroes, and if you ask old grandma or 6-year-old boy, they will understand or know about Batman, Superman, or Spider-Man. And yeah, I understand many people are really bearish right now on the project, but as a business, they are selling out like 99% of the drops that they are dropping. And that's a good sign. They are still alive in 2023, and they will go even stronger in 2024. I wouldn't be surprised that they actually get the ECOMI listing on the biggest crypto exchanges, and I'm definitely bullish on VEVE and ECOMI.